Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to do an overview of the different things that we've looked at so far in the Kairos SongLIST. I'm going to start by adding a song. I'm going to try and add the song Closer Than a Brother. The first step, which is a very important step, is to check the song list to see if the song is already in the list. Because of course, if you add a song that's already in the list, then it'll create duplicate entries. Alright, so I click on the plus sign, type in the title. Now I've found the song already in another on another website, so I'm gonna copy that website. I'm gonna put in Grace Thrillers as the artist. Gonna scroll to another web page where I have the song up already. Of course, it's an easy Google search. Copy the lyrics and then go back to the playlist and paste it in the lyrics section. Now, as I pointed out before, the lyrics are going to be fed into the Kairos presenter, so it's very important to put a space in between the slides. I've found a video for that song. Just gonna copy it, copy the link, the YouTube link, paste it where you have the YouTube link icon there. And then once I'm finished, I add it, and I get an indication that I've added the song. I'm going to search for it in the list, and you see it popped up there. Click on the icon in front of the title. I'm going to add it to a playlist that I've created before. I'm going to add it to 2 playlists because you can add a song to multiple playlists. Alright, going to add it to Sunday Morning as well, a playlist that I created. When I'm done, close that screen. Now to access the playlist, I click on the icon at the top, search in Lively Choruses. You see the song there in that playlist. On Sunday Morning, the song is also there. So I can access the song from any one of those playlists. See, it's at the bottom because that's the last song that I added. So the song is here and the show video icon is present. Clicking on the icon brings up the video. Playing the video and it works just fine. And that's it. Thank you very much.